from Moco Labs here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually change the color of the text and the menu on the app. So say what you need to do is you need to go on the back end here. When you go down, you'll see a section here where you actually have the font color and the font menu. So if I go into, right now you can see as it doesn't really look that appealing on the App Store, so we want to make sure that the menu matches your App Store so that way we can create the best experience for the users. So what you would do is go in here, I could change the menu color, so I'd probably go as white as possible because the menu is white here, and I'm going to hit save. And you could also change the text at the same time, but I'm going to do it separately, just so I can show you guys the difference here. So now you see how the when it's white looks a lot nicer than it looked before. And then text is red as well. I find it a little bit hard to read with the flag here. So we could go with black text or we can go with another color. Maybe let's try orange. You do have different countries and different flags. So maybe let's do black for the text and see what happens. And then we'll try orange in a sec. So you kind of play around and see like that looks a lot better. Yeah, the US App Store that will say. So yeah, that looks a lot better in there. But we could try orange as well and see how that looks. Again, the reason we're giving you a lot of choices for the text colors is because we want you to like create the best experience possible for your customers, right? Uh, so if you do have the hex number, you can always put that in here, and that can be a lot easier to do it. And that's why we do it by this because quite often you'll have that information. And if you don't, then you can just match it up the same way I'm doing it right now. Yeah, so I don't like the way the orange looks. The other thing I'm going to do as well, just for our test, is it's static right now, so it actually scrolls down. So I'm going to make it that doesn't do that. So it's staying at the top. But yeah, I don't like how that orange looks, so maybe we'll try bright red. I think I would stick with the black here for this store here. But again, it really depends on what your store is and what works best for you. The other thing you might do as well is like if you have different font sizes as well, you can always change the font size as well. So if I want to make it, let's say a little bit bigger, I can make the font size bigger. And if I want to make the menu a little smaller, I can make the menu a little bit smaller. And I can also change the font as well if I wanted to do a different font style as well, just to match what's on here. So see now it's a little bit more bolder like this, right? You can play around with actually having that. So now it looks kind of a little bit better than what it did before. Uh, so maybe what I would do here is I'd probably do the first sans, but I'll just do the regular, not the bold, see how that looks. Okay, so yeah, so that's a lot better, and now it looks a lot really cool and looks a lot more professional on your app store. So depending on what your store is, you can always play around with it and see what it is, but that's exactly how you would change the color of the menu and change the color of the text with Translate Pro. So if you like this, do subscribe to this channel as well. Leave your comments below if you have any more questions. Let me know. And I'd love to connect with you. And you're always welcome to connect with our customer support as well at Translate Pro.